Hey guys, so today we're going to be making a DIY ring light. I got pretty much the biggest wreath that I could find. So basically what you need is you need the wreath wire LED rope lights. These are the ones I got. I got them from Home Depot. Aluminum foil. I already had this, just the big one. And zip ties. So basically the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the rope light. I can find the end of it. The end of it is pretty big, but basically what you're going to do is force it through here, and I'm going to put it on the first level first. It's a little bit hard because, like I said, it is bigger, but once you get it in there. Okay, sorry. Force it in there. Then I want to go on the smallest one first. I don't know if it's long enough to do the entire thing, but we're going to find out. I'm going to skip every loop because, like I said, it's big, so. Every other loop, I'm just putting it in. Okay, almost there. I'm just gonna pull it to the end right now just so that I'm all the way in there because going through is just difficult. So let's just pull it all the way to as far as I can get it. Okay, so once you've got the first circle done, like I said, I want the smallest one first, then I'm just gonna go to the next one. Just pull it all the way through so that it looks like this and everything. Like this, how it's just hanging here. All of these pieces I'm going to zip tie against the wireframe, and I just skipped every two. So now I'm going to go just do the same exact thing I just did on the next row. Take this, every other one, so we're in this one, I'm gonna go in this one now. Let me tell you, it's not as easy as it looks. But it's worth it when you're saving at least $100. Trust me, it's worth it. But it's not as easy as it looks. And my arms is burning, 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 burning. Okay, so now that we're through this one, like I said, every other one we're just gonna zip tie to make it that much easier. So right now it looks like this. And we're just gonna go all the way through. Okay, so it's getting a little bit difficult to go all the way through without zip tying, so now I'm just going to zip tie every other one just so that I know where it is and that it's in the right place. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like once you wrap the lights all the way across it and you see all of these zip ties. Basically what we're going to do is just cut them off. Okay, so I'm just going to cut basically as close as I can to the end of the zip tie just so I have nothing hanging out. And I'm going to continue this for all of the zip ties. So once you've cut off all of the zip ties, this is how it should look. And if you notice at the wreath, there's a side that goes out and a side that goes in. On the inside, I'm just going to take foil and just basically put it all the way around. So the way I'm doing the foil is I'm folding it about wreath thickness, and I'm just going to repeat that until it's pretty thick, like a pretty consistent. See? Keep going, going. Okay, so now that it's about wreath thickness, I'm going to take the wreath, you see I already put some on, and basically just put it here, and where it goes off, I'm going to fold it down so it follows the wreath. And just fold it on there. So now what we're looking at is this. And then I'm just going to continue that all the way around. Okay, so once you're done, this is basically what it looks like. If you look close, there's the 3 rows. You put the foil on the back so that it's just basically all white. And then let's test it. Don't know if you can see the difference, but. And then after this, the last step that you're going to do is just wrap wax paper all the way around it just to diffuse the light a little bit. What I'm gonna do is literally just rip it out and just wrap it like this. Doesn't have to be the prettiest thing ever. You just wrap it just like that. Okay, so once you're done, after you put all of the wax paper on, this is what it's going to look like. Still pretty bright, the light is diffused, and you're done. The back, I pretty much just duct taped the wax paper all the way around, so the back is duct taped. But this is what it looks like, and after this, I'm just going to pretty much do the effects of what it looks like with and without it, and yeah, that's pretty much all you do. So I cut off one of my lights just so that you can see the effect of it. So basically with the ring light, you get light all the way around, and it pretty much just frames your face. Thanks so much for watching, guys. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, and comment below. And I'm going to be doing a giveaway every 100 subscribers until I get to 1,000. And then from there, every 1,000 subscribers. So make sure that you subscribe below, like the video, comment so that I know that you guys are watching and know what you guys want me to do next. Thank you so much, and I hope you have a great day.
I'ma blow your mind. I'ma show how the world is with me. I can show you mine. I can show how the vibe is.